So, how often do you hear this? Have compassion. Be compassionate. And it seems pretty simple, right? As long as we see eye to eye and we're getting along. But what about when we're not? What about when the people around you say and do hurtful things? When their behavior seems totally crazy to you? How do you have compassion then? Let this guided meditation show you how. Hello, my darling soul, and welcome. I'm Carolyn, and I'm here to help you get out of your head so that you can live in your heart with power, presence, and peace. Compassion. It's not a thing to have, it's a way of being, and one that must be practiced over and over again. It's not even so much a how, it is a when. And the when is always right now. So let's dive in. So find a nice quiet spot and a comfortable upright position. And whenever you're ready, gently closing your eyes. Becoming aware of your breath by noticing your inhale as you take a nice, deep, nourishing inhale. And then a nice, slow, releasing exhale, letting go. Inhaling, fill and expand your lungs as wide and as big as they can be. And exhale, slowly, tenderly, letting go of any tension, letting it just melt away as you fully exhale and let go. Inhaling again, filling those lungs, welcoming in all of that nourishing, life-giving oxygen. And exhaling, slowly releasing any and all tension, letting it go. And now bringing that awareness to your heart space and imagining your heart in the center of your chest as this warm, glowing ball of light. And on your inhale, expanding that ball of light so it takes up all the space in your chest. And then exhale, letting go of anything that doesn't feel loving. Asking your heart and trusting its wisdom to know and discern what is unloving, without you having to figure anything out, just asking your heart and giving it permission to let go of anything and everything that feels unloving in this moment. Any feelings, thoughts, words, sensations, letting them go right now. And so each inhale, your heart, as this warm, glowing ball of light, expands more. It takes up more space. And in fact, it fills your entire body. And then each exhale, you let go. Just like the autumn leaves tenderly and delicately drop from the tree in perfect timing, without any drama, they let go and fall to the earth to be recycled. And so here we do the same, just asking the heart to, with love, tenderly and gently let go of anything that feels unloving. And notice yourself sitting here in this moment, becoming, being this ball of light, this space of love. Your entire being is radiating, expanding more and more to be the space of love as it lets go with each exhale of anything that is unloving. Let yourself shine and radiate love right now. And now just recalling a recent time where perhaps you did or said something unkind or acted in a harsh way or expressed some harsh words to someone that you love. And you'll notice you may not have to search back that far. It could have been this morning as you rushed your kids off to school. Were you impatient, frustrated? Or last night in a heated discussion with your other half? What words, expressions, feelings, or thoughts of unkind, unloving, harshness did you express? And as you sit here and recall that moment, still sitting in this space of love, on your exhale, letting go of any feelings of guilt, of shame, of embarrassment, or regret over your own behavior, your own words, your own thoughts, your own expression of frustration, anger, impatience. That unloving expression, letting that go now. Letting those feelings fall like the leaves, sending them to the earth to be recycled as healing forgiveness. Give this to yourself now. And as you let go, notice you can expand even more into this space of love. Coming to know, to recognize, to be aware of your own human behavior, of your own messiness and complication and complexity, allows you to give it the space of love, to release and surrender your own humanness so that you may become even more loving to yourself. And as you become even more loving to yourself, with each inhale, expanding even more, and each exhale, releasing even more, you become the compassionate space of love for others. Allowing yourself to be that light, to be that love more and more, sending it outwards in all directions around you. And with each inhale, just rippling out even more. Letting that love shine no matter what. Giving it to yourself first is the brave work of having it to give to others. Acknowledging yourself in this moment for the willingness to do this courageous work. It is not easy, but it is necessary. Taking a final moment to feel that love, to feel the forgiveness that opens up as you release layers and layers of your own messiness and complexity and humanness. And then whenever you're ready, gently opening your eyes. Hands to the heart and a deep bow of gratitude. Namaste. I hope you enjoyed this video. I would love to know, how was the experience for you? Please let me know in the comments below. And if you want to go a little deeper, then I invite you to join me for my free meditation journey called Being Home. This is where I will send you an email each day for 7 days that combines mindfulness and the wisdom of horses to support you with finding everything you need exactly where you are. You can click on the link in the description below or go to 7dayjourney.carolincreed.com. And as always, if you received any benefit from this video, please show it some love by giving it a like and clicking subscribe to follow along as I create more videos to support you with getting out of your head and into your heart. Thank you so much for watching. Have a beautiful day.